This is Mike with JTops, and today we're going to do a quick install of our Bikini half shade, which is just part of the shade that covers the front of the Jeep. It uses, like our other JL products for the Wrangler, uses our patented strip for the very front of the edge, and basically this strip right here, if you see it, you'll just take it, and if you see that, it just kind of slides in, and the magnets are already trying to pull it all the way up towards the front of the Jeep, and you just push it right in here. Let's take our straps, and we'll lay them right into position. We have two straps on the side. We have these straps that go around on the back, and let me just take this back one right now, bring it back up and around here. Give it a quick click just to hold this into position for right now. Now we can take the center one back here and just grab it and bring it up once again. Just clip it. These are our buckles, two-stage buckle that uses the compression. Oop, I just dropped it. Let's go ahead and get that pulled out, and we're just going to buckle it together right there. Everything we're going to put on right now will just be very loose. We're going to take this other side strap buckle. This buckle on the side is going to give us good tension across this direction, so it goes back behind the roll cage bar and the A-pillar right here, and just clip it, put it on snug. Same thing on this side right here, and these also have our TriGlides on them, so that holds the strap up and out of the way so that it doesn't flap. Let's just pull our little piece of neoprene around, and you'll see a better look at this when I get to the other side. This one here is important. This front has a bar. You can see the tip of the bar sticking out right here. And again, you'll see it on the other side. It sits right in this first notch, and the buckle is just going to slide right into place. We're going to buckle it, position that neoprene pad underneath, because we don't want to scratch or mar or damage in any way the paint. So we've got these on loose. I'm going to come around the other side. Let's take this part, and we do the same. We've got two straps here on the side. This is for lateral, for the side movement, and then to pull it to the back. We're just going to clip this one on. We're going to take this one here. See the neighbors driving down the alley right now. Clip this on and pull this. Now again, this is going to give us pull this way, and this is going to give us pull this way, and you'll see how that tightens everything up. But first we want to get these on. So let's get these couple of straps into position too, and you just have to give it a pull, and then we're going to come up here and we're going to tighten that one. Then we're going to go around and we're going to tighten up everything, and you'll see how really tight this thing gets. Again, release the buckle a little. It's already up in the TriGlide, so it doesn't have a lot of room. Give it a clip. These are going to lay flat. We're going to push our magnet and front piece right up into the thing. This is going to lay flat when we tighten all this up. So let's tighten everything down. Let's move this around, and you'll see the TriGlide. I'll do a little cutaway in a second. And you just pull down. It's going to lay flat. I'm going to flip this open, pull down. It's going to lay flat. And then they're going to slide right up in. You see how that holds it right up into position so that we don't have any strap on the inside. Now, on our Bikini and our design, there's no need to lower the windshield. There's no need for any special clips in the front. We're going to get really good tension from the magnets that are holding it on the metal in the front, and then this rod again fits down in this first groove, so this isn't going to let it shift in any direction. Now we've got this one right here. Let's give that a tug. Let's open this one, you can see it pull itself tight. And we're going to pull it over in that direction. And this bikini is nice and tight, stretched back. Stretch this again. All you got to do is flip these latches up, give it a pull, and then lock it into place. Flip the latch, give it a pull, and it'll lock into place. And you see how tight that got everything all the way around the edge? You've got just enough room here when you go to put the freedom panels on for the freedom panels to latch onto this back latch. Solid aluminum rod in the back is stretching across the entire back of the shade, of the Bikini Shade, so that we don't have any openings or any gaps anywhere around. I mean, that's it. It took 2 minutes, maybe, to put this on. If I wasn't trying to talk and do it all at the same time. It is really tight, and I don't even have it fully tightened down. Let's stretch this one out. Let's take this one. You see the TriGlides on the inside that are holding the strap up into place. And let's just flip open the cage and give it a tug. And that thing is tight, okay? Tested, 85, 90 miles an hour. Works awesome without the top in the back, or it works awesome with the top. When you put the top on, the hard top on, it's going to sit right here, okay? And then it's going to screw down in here. If you use this with your soft top, all of the proper mounting holes are all exposed. Nothing is going to interfere with anything, and you can just flip your soft top up, latch it back to the front latches, or put your hard top on, latch it up to the front latches. Stretched out in the center, little touch having this piece of elastic right in the center so that it stretches it, keeps it pulled nice and taut in the middle. But that's it. That's the bikini. That's just how simple it is to put on. Front section only. Designed to be used with the soft top, with the hard top. Anything can just sit down on top of this, and you never have to remove it once you put it on. So make sure that you got all your buckles nice and tight in the positions that you want them, and you're good to go for the rest of your summer.